Hi everyone, I'm Shaukat from Kerala. I hope you have a happy day today. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about recently an incident happened in Kerala, I think 1 week ago. A lady was traveling on the bus. That time another person also, he was also traveling on the bus. And in that bus very crowded. And that time the lady recorded a video because she's telling the person harassed her, touched her sexual intentionally, and she recorded the video, and she published the video in her channel because she has a social media channel also. Then so many people watched the video. After the person did suicide. The person in his family, his parents have only one son, he. And when I watched the video, from the bus incident, that time I understood one matter. When she was recording the video, that time in her face, he was very happy. Because when the women get any sexual harassment from men, that time we can see some humiliation feel, irritation feel in their face. But this kind of matter I couldn't see in her face. And she had so many opportunity also there, because she could have told the person stop this, but she didn't. And she could have told the surrounding area people, but she didn't. She could have told the bus conductor, but she didn't. Okay, and she recorded the video. She recorded the scenario, and she could have approached police station or government authority, but she didn't. She published the video, then the person got humiliation. So the person, I think he was a silly person. That's why he did suicide. Because and I watched their home scenario also. I watched because when he did suicide, after his mother was crying, his father was crying, I couldn't see that scenario because she definitely she did bad things. I can easily understand that, but I didn't see the atmosphere, from the bus atmosphere matter. I didn't see. That's why what happened there, I don't know. But she had so many opportunity. Without publish the video, she could have done so many things, but she didn't. And some women, when they get sexual harassment, some women, they are very shy people. Maybe they can't respond. But she is a confident person. You can easily understand. But she published the video, and the person got humiliation. That's why he did suicide. Because women get harassment from bus, from public place, so okay. But this incident, I understood the lady made big mistake, because who is watch that video, all the people can easily understand, because in her face was very happy, and he didn't try to respond on the spot, and he didn't try to complain to conductor or surrounding area people. she recorded the video and she published the video, and unfortunately the person did suicide. And his father and mother, he lost their son. It's very bad, because women get harassment from bus, from other public places. That's okay, but we have to take decision very wisely, because when the people get this kind of humiliation, some people can survive this humiliation, but some people, their mindset is very silly. Maybe they can't survive this kind of humiliation. That's why I think the person was very silly person. That's why he did suicide. Very and the case also running. That's why. But and I openly tell you, I didn't see the scenario. That's why what happened there, I don't know. But I understood one matter. She had so many opportunity to respond the proper manner, but she didn't. She published the video, and that's why so many consequences happened. And she also is facing consequences, because police arrested her also. This kind of problem. So if when we get this kind of problem in our life, we can take decision very wisely. Otherwise, maybe our life spoil, maybe other people life spoil. Yeah. And if we want to get rich, we have so many other way. If we want to get some famous, we have so many another way. We can utilize that way, but we never try to humiliate other people. It's not good. Okay, I discussed this matter with you. I discussed with you whatever I felt. I discussed with you. Thank you so much. We will meet again. Bye.